Hello there, and welcome to the sixth video tutorial for C++ programming language. I had promised in the last tutorial that now we get to make something actually constructive. What was that? No one knows. How to do that? No one knows. Okay, fine. So for now, we are not making anything constructive at this instant. We are learning loops, control statements. Oh, damn it. I think my keyboard is slipping out of my hand or something. Loops are control statements and we are learning them. What is the purpose of a loop? Running a single code again and again. Print star on the screen like let's say I want to print. Right now I have made 20 stars, right? In fact, you don't trust me, we can count. Even I'm not sure. It will be somewhere close to that. I hope so. Now let's say I want to print 80 stars. A line in the console is equal to 80 stars. I want to print 80 stars. So I can like print 80 stars counting and then plus 1 minus 1 will cause an error. Or just see for integer I equals 0. Okay, I is less than 80 plus I see out the star thing and run it. Okay, I admit console thing is more than 80 characters of the in capacity. I rerun it. I'm sorry, it's more than 80, it can be like 180 or something. It's less than 180 of course. 120? It's exactly 120. I rock. Okay. So what it does, gets here int I equals to 0. Is I say 120? Yes. Exclude this. Plus I means increment I by 1. So now I becomes 1. Is I less than 120? Yes, I exclude this. Increment I is I less than 120. If yes, exclude this. Increment I is I less than 120. If yes, exclude this. And when I is not less than 120, which means I is 120 because of the sequence of control exit out. So when I is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to 119, this code is executed, which is 120 times. That's the flow of control. We just did a for loop. Wow. Loop is just repeated controlling. Repeated for the statement. Now, I had said we will be building something useful. So for building something useful, we need to behave like good programmer behaves. Commenting out their code. Comments are lines in your program which which are only visible in the source code, which are not visible to the user, which are ignored by the compiler. Just try to copy, send the source code to someone just so that they can understand what is actually going on. So factorial. I comment the program like a good programmer, which I don't do in real life, to be very frank. Okay. Now let us say I have an integer n for which I want to find out the factorial, and I have an integer f which shows the factorial whose initial value will be 1. Yeah, this is the way we can declare two variables of the same data type. So now enter the number and I take the input of n from user for int I equals to 2 uc by 2. I is less than equal to, like this right as less than equal to, this is greater than equal to, this is equal to, yeah that's right, double equals is equal to, this is not equal to, this is less than, this is greater than, less than equal to n, increment I every time. And yeah, you can use a compound of here also, which most people will do. But I don't like using a compound block in case of a one line. So f has to change into f times I. So if when I is 2, f will become f will double itself, when I is 3, f will triple itself, when I is 4, f will multiply itself by 4, and so on. What this statement does is picks the value of f, multiplies it with the value of I, and now that's the new value of f. Print out of the screen a factorial of n. I told you to read it like this just. Okay. So the factorial of n, and if since it's not in double quotes, it will become the value of n, what means whatever the user had input, and then it will print a space, and then it will print the word is, and then it will print another space, and then it will print the value of f, which actually stores the factorial. So it starts with 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 and so on up to n. You can run. Enter the number 5. The factor of 5 is 120. Enter the number 1. The factor of 1 is 1. 0 and the factor of 0 is 1. Wow, what? Well, in case of 0 and 1, it's never I is never less than or equal to n. So this code is never ever executed. And in that case, f remains 1. 70 is 0. Again, data type constraints. I'm sorry. 15. It prints out something. 10. It prints out something. 5. It prints out 120. 6. It prints out 720. 7. It prints out 5040. 8. It prints out 40320. 9. It prints out 3628880. 10. It prints out 3628800. 11 it print out 399168800, and it will go on until unless it doesn't find a problem. And in case you feel there's a problem, so like this long int, which has a much larger size than it, and I actually have it going, and in case of 70 it again went from 20, it ran 25, it ran 30, it didn't run. It showed some negative value. 27, it didn't run. 26, it didn't run. 25, it ran, so 25 is the last value. And in case f wasn't a long int, it was a simple int. In case of 25, still running interesting guys. So that's all for this video. Actually long, sometimes doesn't serve the purpose. We'll discuss that later. That's all for this video. Yeah, check it's useful. The program which calculates the factorial of all numbers up to 25. Useful for a student who is, who wants to work faster in the exams. Anyways, this has helped you clear your logic, and that's much more important. So, thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel.